I just replaced my master cylinders on my 2005 Dodge Ram. Now, time to bleed the brakes.
I'm not being bad boy.
Yes, you throw rocks. You throw rocks at the cat and almost hit my windows.
The cat's not going the road. Don't go on the road, cat. Don't go on the road, cat. Cat, don't go.
It's okay. The cat is allowed to go on the road. You cannot go on the road.
Because he's gonna die on the road.
No, he's not. It's a cat. Cats don't die. Cats have 7 lives. Okay, there's bubbles.
Cat, go and you.
Okay, I don't see any more bubbles coming.
What?
I'm gonna close it.
No, because you don't go on the road.
The cat is older than you. The cat can go on the road.
No, you cannot.
Moving on to the rear left wheel. So driver's rear wheel.
To go on the road too. With him.
No, you're not.
Why?
Because you're a kid.
No. I'm not a cat.
Yes, you are.
No. I'm not. I'm a cat.
No, you're not a cat.
Yes, I did.
No, you're not.
You always said I'm a cat.
No, I did not.
Yes, you did.
So now this is front passenger tire, front passenger wheel. Bubbles, bubbles. Don't see any more bubbles. And finally, the last tire, the driver's front tire or wheel. Now this concludes it. So there should be less air or no air in the system now. What you would need is any bottle, and you know, this is a Windex, but I had one with a little bit fatter of a hose. So if you can find one with the fattest hose you can. This is plastic, so it doesn't stretch. So that's why I put that rubber black hose on it and was able to stretch it very tightly onto the fitting.